We're back with the best. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna do a drop test on this Lego thing. This is gonna be the best drop test ever.
DJ Khaled.
And we got the Lego dingy majiggy that took us 30 minutes to finish, or 15, I don't know.
I was just in the other room reading a good old book, and everyone hates me now
Why?
because I'm reading a book.
Yeah, we got our stinking microphone. Look at it. Watch how much it echoes. Subscribe to Googly's 22. G-O-O-G-O-L-E-S 22. Okay, we're gonna do a drop test on this in a second.
Beautiful, man.
So guys, first we're gonna do this. Wait, hold it.
I am so cold right now.
And here we go. We're gonna pour some water in it and see what happens. Oh my god.
We already know what happens because we tried this out, but
It goes through these holes.
yeah.
It's so weird.
And if you feel it, it feels so good.
I know, it feels so good.
Hating freezing at this. I think I got frostbite, guys.
Follow it. Follow it.
Guys, do I have frostbite?
Look, follow it.
We're following it through. I'm scared to do this. These are me Legos.
Here, wait, point it down. Point it down.
This is such a great idea.
He's pointing it down. Here we go, guys. This is gonna be absolutely insane. Oh my gosh! No way! What? No, bro, guys,
Bruh.
what the heck? No, this is so crazy.
Bruh.
Wait a second. What? No, wait. Look at.